Hello, in this video I'll show you how to move the anchor point and how to center the anchor point in After Effects. This is the default screen in After Effects. First, I click New Composition. I name the composition Main. The resolution is 1920 by 1080, which is a standard YouTube setting. Frame rate is 30 frames per second and the duration is 30 seconds. Now I click OK. Next, I want to draw a shape layer. I select the rectangle tool, then click and drag in the composition panel to create a rectangle. When I select the shape layer in the timeline, we can find the anchor point property under transform. The anchor point controls where the layer rotates and scales from. To move the anchor point using values, go to Layer, Transform, Anchor Point, and adjust the numbers to reposition it manually. A faster and more visual way is to use the Pan Behind tool, shortcut Y. I select the Pan Behind tool, then click and drag directly on the layer to move the anchor point. If I hold Ctrl while dragging, the anchor point will snap to the corners or to the center of the layer, which makes positioning much easier. To quickly center the anchor point, there are two options. You can go to Layer, Transform, Center Anchor Point in Layer Content, or use the shortcut Ctrl plus Alt plus Home to instantly move the anchor point to the exact center of the layer. And that's how you can move the anchor point and center the anchor point in After Effects. If you're new to After Effects and want to learn more, watch my After Effects Basics tutorial for beginners, where you'll learn about layers, keyframes, common beginner mistakes, and much more.